Welcome to my channel Umair Bhatt, and this video is about the Windows 11 audio recording, and it is too much easy. It's very easy than you think, really, honestly speaking. And just following these simple steps, you will able to record your audio in your Windows 11 if you are if you are a Windows operating system user. So how you can do it, just search here like recorder or sound. So see, sound recorder. This is an app. By default it's in the Windows 11, so you can open this app. It's updating, maybe will take few seconds. Let me pause the video. So see, it has been updated. I will reopen it. See, we will type here sound and recorder. So sound recorder, you can see it has been opened. Now we can import file, we can minimize it, we can restore it, we can close it from here. And here you can see the microphone we are using. If you are using multiple mic, so you can change settings in the sound settings, but right now I am using only one mic, so this is showing here. And to record, you can start recording, or Ctrl+R you can also press. So what I will do, for instance, Ctrl+R. Hello, welcome to my channel, and this video we are creating to show our users, to show our friends how we can record the audio in Windows 11. It's incredible. It's incredibly easy and easy to follow step-by-step instructions. So now I want to stop recording. We can stop here from here, or we can also press escape. So see, now this has been saved here on the left sidebar of this application. You can see recording, and if you want to play this. Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video we are creating to show our users, to show our friends how we can record the see. So the video, so the audio is recorded now. This you can see recording. You can right click, you can share it, you can rename it, you can show in folder, and you can delete it. For instance, you want to rename, so you can press F2, or you can click here like my first recording and rename. So now it has been renamed. So now if you want to show in the folder, you can click here, show in folder. So this will show the exact location, like C drive users, and then your user, like my username is Umair, but then documents, and in the sound recordings. So now this is you can see M4A audio file, and 737 KB is the size, and length of the duration of this audio is 31 seconds. So for instance, if I want to open this in any media player, like I am using VLC media player as a default application for the audio and videos, so this will open directly in the VLC media channel. And this video we are creating to show our users. So this audio is saved in this location, and you saw that I opened this recording in the VLC media player. And if you want to delete it, so you can click on delete. If you want to share, you can click on share. You can email a contact. You can share with application like WhatsApp, Microsoft Teams. I have installed in my operating system in my Windows, so I can share with them, or I can also use the mail feature. So now this was the easy method. I showed you how to record audio. This was a Windows 11 audio recording video tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, and also share the video with your friends, your colleagues, your relatives, your family members, with each and everyone, so they can learn and they can increase their professional skills. Thank you so much once again.